It is much too early, and it is the 22nd of September, so it is a Thursday. Please ignore my hair. I have got a good bit of stuff to do today, so I thought that I would film a vlog because there's a lot of design work to be done. So I thought I could record my screen for you guys and kind of show you that because I want to work on some newer sheets. I don't know if I'll get around to it today or not. I think I will though, or I shouldn't say that. I'll get around to it, but I don't know if I'll get them finalized in time for tonight's release. So like I said, it's Thursday, Monday through Wednesday of this week, and technically Sunday as well. I was working on $2 Tuesday kits. So chill, pretty winter, and holidays. I'm sorry if it's super dark. It might be super dark in here. Got those shipped yesterday, like the remainder of them. And today I'm going to be mass printing Hot Cocoa and Thankful. And then I've also got my list for Forest, Cozy, and Merry, but I'm waiting on a paper shipment. I should have plenty to get through Hot Cocoa and Thankful, but I don't think I'm gonna make it through those $2 Tuesday items. So, what else? It's been a while since I've done a vlog. We're getting ready to move the office again in a few weeks, I think. So Mom moved, it's been a couple of months now, but they have been like unpacking and getting everything, like having some stuff done to the house and whatnot. So there is a room there that is supposed to be for my office. I like having things here because the dogs, but at the same time I really hate having things here because I just don't have the room. And then also like my entire house is covered in stickers all the time. So I think what's gonna end up happening, shirt office will be here, sticker office will be there, because that also helps when she helps me out. It's easier, she doesn't have to drive over here, although they are very close now. So anyway, let's get to it. Like I said, I'm gonna start the printer so that it can be printing those releases so that they can get, I don't know if I'm gonna get to cut and foil them today, probably tomorrow, and then they'll go out tomorrow. We were kind of caught up where things weren't taking the entire processing time, and then I had a paper shipment take a road trip, and it was like 3 or 4 days late, which really threw everything off. So I do have another shipment that's on its way right now that looks like it should be here on time. So by the time I run out of this paper, I should have more paper, so that's good. But that's why we're kind of back to, we're at 1 to 2 weeks, so at least it's still a much shorter processing time than what we did have. Ultimate Planner sale is coming up in next weekend, I believe, or the weekend after. And for that, I probably will up us back to 2 to 3 weeks. And then I need to get a October schedule up for the shop, or planned out for the shop to post the beginning of October. But we will do a Halloween sale like we've done before. Probably not as big as what we've done before, but I do want to do something for Halloween. And then we're moving into Black Friday and everything, so there's a lot of stuff coming up. I've gotten a lot of questions asking if I'm doing an advent calendar this year. No, it is so much work. The only time that I've done it, somebody asked me, I don't think the shop exists anymore. I did that with them, which was like 20 different shops or something. It was a lot of us. That was absolutely terrible and not received well. Granted, it didn't have anything to do with it really, other than, they told me what they needed, but it took so long because it was like 600 kits. And then last year, I believe, Britton and I from Bean Sprout Paper Co. did one together, and that was fine because it was like both of us. It wasn't as bad, but at the same time, it really still was a lot. And she had to come up here for like the weekend just so that we could put everything together. And it ended up taking us way longer than what we thought just to get stuff packaged. So anyway, I'm rambling. The point is, no, I have no interest in doing an advent calendar for stickers. It's just so much planning and preparation and ends up it just takes too much time. I'd probably have to shut down for like the entire month of doing it, and I don't really want to do that. So anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get to work. There's a lot to do today and I'm so tired, you guys. I'm gonna start mass printing. I'll show you guys that, and then I will start recording my screen so I can show you guys some of the design work that's about to get done. And then hopefully I'll get to doing test prints on that today and I can show you guys that as well. But if not, we will do that tomorrow morning. I don't want this to be a long vlog. I want to try to get through everything between today and tomorrow so I can get this uploaded by tomorrow. So let's get to printing.
Through the hard times, you were right there. And even through my struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave you. I promise you I'll never leave. You were right there, and even through my struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave, never leave, never leave,
Okay guys, it has been a very long day. I am making dinner currently. I took them for AWALK a little bit ago and I finished up 3 new collections. Yeah, so that took me pretty much all day. I've also been printing, like I said, so I've got a ton that I can get through tomorrow. That always makes it a lot faster for me. If I've got everything printed, ran through the laser printer, and just ready to cut, it is so much faster. So I'll be able to get that cut, foiled, and shipped out tomorrow. And yeah, I've already got all my listings done. I recorded the screen for you guys. I believe I only did 1 kit because that takes up a lot of memory on my laptop and then things kind of start crashing. And then a little bit of me doing the listings in Photoshop. Went ahead and put those up on the website and it is currently about 7 p.m. So like I said, dinner. And then I am done with work mostly for the night. I've got a few other things I'm gonna go ahead and get started printing because I did not run out of paper on those releases. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. Tomorrow morning I will do the test prints plus the photos and everything like that. I generally do those the next day because you guys can see this, well, maybe you can see the sun is kind of starting to set, which means I won't be able to get good pictures, so I generally just wait until the next day. But yeah, that is what my day looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys want more vlogs, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.